Hello and good evening. Welcome to a financial spreadsheet called Time Value. This will present and conspiracize on future and present value factors, functions in the months and the car loans, the mortgages, all about the interest rates, all what's going on in the financial world. So, as you start off, we'll have the first year of the balance for 4 years, but what's missing is balance, the end of the year balance, and the percentage of initial investments. So what I have to do now is to start and calculate the interest, which is basically equal to P11 multiply $C $4, which is the interest rate of 10%. Okay, so now we go into the end of year balance. Good. Okay, the percentage of the initial investment. Okay, so good. Percentage of initial investments future value factor equals to 1 plus interest rate, the comma of the year's present value factor equals 1 divided by 1 plus interest rate. Okay, let's move on to the amortization sheet. What I need to calculate is amount borrowed. So here the table says that the following amortization table shows the link between the present value, amount borrowed, cash flow payment, and discount rate and interest rate in a 5-year loan. Okay, so calculate the amount borrowed. That's correct. Now let's calculate the plus interest. Okay, calculate the less payment. $1,000. Now to the ending balance. For that to the years, the year 5 has got zero amounts of the ending balance. Okay, so that's amortization sheet complete. So let's move on, go to the PV, present value sheet. The following shows how to calculate the present value as the sum of the present values of the cash flow. So I have to calculate the payments. That relates to the payments. Okay, now next thing is the calculated present value factor. 91%. Okay, present value of payments is next. So payments multiplied by present value factor. Okay, so now calculate the present value of all payments. Okay, so that's the answer for the present value of all payments. Yeah, so that's present value completed. Yep, so the functions is the next sheet. So I'll calculate present value in the function sheet. It's 3,791. Okay, so now I have to calculate the present value of cash flows. Present value can also be computed as net present value, interest rate, series of cash flows. Okay, that looks correct. Just making the widths bigger so we can see the numbers visually. Okay, so let's go down. This is the cash flows computed. This is the PMT, periods, present value. What's missing is cash flow, so to calculate that. The answer is 1,000. Now here I have to calculate the internal rate of return. So the discount rate is computed as IRR, series present value and cash flows. Okay, so let's calculate the IRR. %. Okay, there's only one answer. Okay, so that's the function sheet completed. Next one is the monthly compounded. Here I have to calculate the monthly interest rate. %. Okay, so I'll calculate the interest. Okay, so for now I'm going to stop right here and then continue on finish up the other sheets and this sheet in the next video. So stay tuned, wash your hands, stay safe, have a good pleasant weekend, and I'll see you all very soon. Thank you all for watching this. Adios.